Imagine waking up to a sunrise, the world still quiet, the air tinged with the promise of a new day. As you gaze out your window, you spot something extraordinary, a glowing jellyfish floating across the dawn sky, its ethereal form drifting above the horizon. But this isn't a sea creature at all. It's a spectacular light show created by a rocket launch, a rare phenomenon that transforms the sky into a living painting. Just yesterday morning, Floridians were treated to this space jellyfish as a SpaceX Falcon 9 soared from Cape Canaveral moments before sunrise, drawing eyes skyward from beaches and backyards alike. The rocket's exhaust formed a luminous, bell-shaped cloud with delicate, wispy tentacles trailing behind, shimmering in the gentle light of dawn and casting a surreal glow across the sky. High-altitude winds stretched and twisted the plume, creating a silent, graceful dance between technology and nature, a fleeting ballet that played out high above the waking world. People across the state paused in their routines, grabbed their phones and snapped photos, eager to capture and share the awe-inspiring sight with friends and strangers online. This wasn't just a rocket launch, it was a fleeting masterpiece, a work of art painted on the morning sky by sunlight, science, and a bit of luck. The magic happened because the rocket launched during twilight, that perfect window when the sun's rays illuminated the high-altitude exhaust, making it glow brilliantly against the still dark ground below. Daytime launches are simply too bright for this effect to appear, the sunlight washing out the delicate colors and shapes. And at night, the sky is too dark. There's no sunlight to illuminate the exhaust, so the spectacle remains hidden from view. Only at this perfect moment, when night meets day, does the sky become a canvas for such a stunning and rare show, a brief intersection of science and beauty. For early risers, it was an unforgettable start to the day, a reminder that sometimes the most magical moments happen when we least expect them. Sometimes the universe gives us a reason to look up, pause, and wonder at the extraordinary beauty that can appear in the most ordinary of mornings. So, what causes this space jellyfish? It's all about timing, sunlight, and rocket exhaust. As the rocket climbs, it reaches sunlight while the ground remains dark, like a mountaintop catching the first rays. The rocket's engines release gases that expand in the thin upper atmosphere, forming a glowing cloud. Sunlight scatters off ice and fuel particles in the exhaust, making the jellyfish shine. High-altitude winds stretch the exhaust into tentacle-like trails. The colors, white, blue, orange, come from sunlight scattering off different particles. This rare phenomenon only happens during twilight launches, making it a special treat for skywatchers. It's a perfect blend of physics and beauty, reminding us how science can create moments of wonder. The artist behind the sky jellyfish was the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, a marvel of modern engineering. Standing 230 feet tall, Falcon 9 is a reusable workhorse of modern spaceflight, designed to carry payloads to orbit and beyond. Its first stage booster returns to land on a drone ship after launch, slashing costs and making frequent missions possible. Yesterday's booster had flown before, showcasing the rocket's reusability, and landed safely again, ready for another mission, proving its reliability. Falcon 9's two stages work in tandem. The first lifts the rocket skyward with immense power, then the second carries the payload to orbit, ensuring precise delivery. This launch from Cape Canaveral's historic pad added another chapter to Florida's space legacy, echoing the past while pushing the boundaries of the future. The Falcon 9 is now a familiar sight, a symbol of progress and ambition, but events like the space jellyfish remind us that every launch is extraordinary and filled with wonder. Each mission is a testament to human ingenuity and our drive to explore the unknown, pushing the limits of what's possible. Beyond the spectacle and thunder of the launch, this mission carried a vital purpose, deploying 28 new Starlink satellites into orbit. Each launch is more than just a technical achievement, it's a step toward a more connected world. Starlink is building a vast, global network designed to deliver high-speed internet, especially to remote and underserved areas where traditional infrastructure is limited or non-existent. This technology is bridging the digital divide, With every successful launch, the constellation grows larger, bringing reliable connectivity to more people worldwide and opening up new possibilities for communities that were once isolated. These satellites beam internet directly to users on the ground, making fast, reliable access possible even in places where cables and cell towers can't reach. For many, this means new opportunities for education, healthcare, and business, empowering people to learn, connect, and grow no matter where they live. Yesterday's satellites will soon join thousands already in orbit, weaving an ever-stronger web of global connectivity that brings the world closer together. While we admired the dazzling sky show, the Falcon 9 was quietly changing lives on Earth, helping to shape a future where everyone can be connected. Space exploration isn't just about reaching the stars, it's about using innovation to improve life for everyone, everywhere, every day. Rocket launches are more than just spectacles, they're essential to our modern world. Satellites launched into space power our internet, GPS, weather forecasts, and environmental monitoring. Rockets also send probes and telescopes to explore the universe, expanding our knowledge and inspiring discovery. The International Space Station enables groundbreaking research and international cooperation. Each mission drives innovation, creates jobs, and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The space industry fuels economic growth and technological advances that benefit us all. Every launch is a leap forward for science, technology, and humanity's future. When you see a rocket rise, you're witnessing progress in action. Events like the space jellyfish ignite curiosity, especially in young minds. A single rocket launch can spark a lifelong passion for science, technology, engineering, and math. These moments bring families and communities together, sharing awe and wonder under the same sky. For kids, seeing a rocket soar is a modern adventure, proof that big dreams can come true. It shows them that with curiosity and hard work, they can help shape the future. Today's inspired children are tomorrow's explorers, inventors, and problem solvers. Frequent launches mean more chances to inspire the next generation. The journey to the stars begins with a single moment of wonder. The adventure continues. Florida's Space Coast is always preparing for the next launch. Another rocket is set to lift off soon, possibly creating another dazzling sky show at sunrise. This mission will carry NASA's IMAP spacecraft to study the solar wind and protect our technology from space weather. Every launch has a unique purpose, from connecting the world to unlocking the sun's secrets. Stay curious, follow launch schedules, and look up whether in person or online. Each countdown is a chance to witness human achievement and the wonders of the universe. The next amazing sight could be just a sunrise away. Keep looking up. You never know what you'll see.